Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve the community guidelines strike on Instagram. So first go to your profile and then go to the three-line button on the upper right. Go to settings and then go to help. So you will see here report a problem. Click that and turn off the shake feature and then click report a problem. And then if you want to include your data, you can continue with it, but you can also click don't include the data. And then here, you're just gonna write to the Instagram team to fix this issue and to review your account. So after sending this uh, letter or message, just wait for them to respond or fix the problem after they review your account. And then just click send on the upper right corner of the um, page. And then that's it. That's how you remove community guidelines strike. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe.